Do you know what the biggest animal that's ever lived is? No, it's not a dinosaur. It's alive today, and its tongue alone is heavier than an elephant. In this video, we are going to find out all about some of the biggest animals ever. Whales. Weighing in at 130 tons and measuring 30 meters. The blue whale is bigger than even the most ginormous of the dinosaurs. They can grow longer than 2 buses and weigh the same as 3 lorries. A blue whale's heart is so big that it's the size of a small car. It only beats once every 10 seconds, and a fully grown person could swim down its arteries. But what is a whale, and why are they so huge? Wild bites. Whales. With fins and flippers, you might think a whale is a really big fish, but you'd be wrong. They don't look much like it. But whales are actually mammoth. Whales just like us. That means they are warm-blooded. They breathe air, and baby whales need their mother's milk to survive. So they're more closely related to humans than fish. So why do they live in the sea? Well, around 50 million years ago, the ancestors of whales used to live on the land. We can tell this by looking at their skeletons. Believe it or not, even though they don't have any legs, they still have tiny hip bones left over from their prehistoric relative. Over millions of years, the water, which gives their vast bodies more support than air, has allowed them to grow into over 80 different species of all shapes and sizes. There are 2 major types of whale, and their difference can be found if you look inside their mouths. Some whales have teeth, but others have some very hairy structures called baleen. These giant combs act like a big sieve, filtering food out of the water. But even though these baleen whales are absolutely enormous, whales, one of their favorite meals is one of the smallest animals in the ocean, a little shrimp called krill. Most krill only grow to be about 1 or 2 centimeters long, so whales have to eat a lot of them. In fact, they eat around 40 million krill a day. That's equivalent in weight to about 5 cows. Do you know what the biggest animal that's ever lived is? No, it's not a dinosaur. It's alive today, and its tongue alone is heavier than an elephant. In this video, we are going to find out all about some of the biggest animals ever. Whales. Weighing in at 130 tons and measuring 30 meters. The blue whale is bigger than even the most